Today is the 9th of March and I'm taking a look at the US dollar Canadian dollar on a monthly time frame using Serene Education's Forex Made Easy strategy. Here you can see I've already put in a previous support and resistance level where we saw price bounce off it, and we can see that the current monthly candle is now trading higher than that. I put in a next major resistance at the major monthly highs, but we can see further intraday entries as we drop down. Looking at price in itself, it is trading above the two moving averages. RSI is above 50. Our MACD histogram is still just below the midline. We've had a MACD moving average crossover as we saw that big pullback to test the top side of the 200-day moving average, but those FOST and trigger lines still remain above, indicating overall sentiment still to the upside. Dropping now down onto the weekly, here we can see price using the 50-day moving average as a support and trading higher. What we can do at this stage is move this support and resistance level slightly higher to take into account those next swings, and that is where price is currently trading into at the moment. RSI is above 50, our MACD histogram is above the midline, as well as our FOST and trigger lines, which have crossed as well. So again, the FME strategy is set up for buying positions. We do have to take into account that price is potentially trading into that resistance level. Dropping now down onto daily, this is where we were talking about bullish entries, where we saw a nice breakout above the 50 and the 200-day moving average, and then suggesting that we look for those buying positions when price had broken through that previous swing. We've seen that, and for the past couple of days, price has been moving to the upside, so I'm hoping that you are in a profitable position on this pair. We can see that RSI is above 50, although above 70, potentially in an overbought area, but our histogram and FOST and trigger lines are above the midline. All we need to take into account is that we're moving into that long-term resistance. So looking at where price is currently trading at the moment to that level, you are looking at around about 45 pips. Daily traders would wait this week out with non-farm payroll tomorrow, waiting for a close higher than around about 1.3534, and then look for those continuations to the upside to target those next highs, which are quite some way off. So be patient on this one if you're not already trading it. Wait for those close higher than that major resistance level, and then look for those continuations higher.